Have you even woken up around 3 at night? Has it ever happened to you when and there is nothing disturbing your sleep but you are suddenly wide awake? This suddenly happens when the environment around you is trying to communicate with you. The human life is a part of the nature. We are an integral part of the nature and we are supposed to be in sync with everything around us. Just as birds don't need any alarm clock, just as animals don't need a guide to find their way, just like my wedding. Birds don't need Google Maps. We should not be so much technology dependent either. Nature is supposed to communicate with each of its creations and show them their way. When the right time comes and the call, the energy and awakening you feel suddenly at night, we actual nature trying to communicate with you. My friend, it means that you need to wake up and catch those signals and let your soul be in sync with the Creator. The planet rotates and something explicable happens between 3 am to 5 am. This time is chosen because this is when the environment around you is the quietest, the calmest and easiest to assess. Let us put it like this. If you want to access a Wi-Fi in a train station, the signal will be very weak because there are so many people around you who are trying to access the network and glitching a signal. But if the station is completely empty, you will be able to easily access the internet. It will be fast, efficient and satisfactory. Similarly, around 3 am at night, everyone around you is easily asleep. You can communicate with nature without any hazard at that time. And if you are woken up by the energies of nature, then you should feel lucky. Because among so many energies, nature decided to communicate with yours and you yours answers. It's a shame that most of us are not aware of this call. We are too busy finding our answers that we don't have time to receive them. But if you are watching this, then listen carefully. Your soul is creation of nature. You, just like every other creator, are loved by your creator. Nature shows the path to all animal and bird. It will guide you through your difficulties too. It wakes you up to give you what you did not even know you have been looking for. So if you get that call, don't let it go. Don't force yourself to sleep again. Don't be ignorant to the call of the all-knowing surrounding. Let the phenomena absorb in your soul. Let the energy pass through you and show your own path. You will forget it just like a dream. If you don't know it down, you won't have a strong connection and you won't get the message if you are not in sync with the nature's energy. If you want the waves of energy to get to your soul and be in sync with it, you will have to do the right way. So if you are even get up at 3 am and feel wide awake for no apparent reason, this is what you have to do. First of all, sit up. Let your feet touch the ground. Be one of your roots, be one with the earth, with the ground. To absorb the energies from the ground, sit straight to let the energies pass through you mix with the divine. Your body works as the antenna that is going to cast signals for yourself. You will get all your answers once you are already now. When you are in the right position, you will feel very calm, very quiet and very sorted. This is a temporary calmness that will surround you like a bubble to help you communicate with the nature. This bubble will last as long as you keep it with concentration while the bubble settles around you. We need to let the calmness settle into your soul. Close your eyes and start meditating. Let the energies flow. Let the voices and the voices communicate with you. Allow them to reach you. Allow only them to pass the bubble. Don't focus on anything but the energies around you and they will focus on you as well. And the most important part, trust me, these energies have been there since the beginning of the time. These are the energies of nature. It has nothing to do with which region you are. Even when you are atheist, you are still a human being and you are a part of nature as well. We can choose which side to visit, but we can't do anything without the internet. Religions and nature are similar. Religions are like Google, Yahoo and Opera. The different, you have the right to choose any of them. At the end, they will give you the same result. It decides whether you will be able to reach the side or not, or what will you get when you travel on a certain path. Similarly, nature decides what you will get when you walk on a certain road. If you are confused about anything, any problem, be it financial or relationship related, career related, or anything else, if you are on a mental crossroad, if you need to find the right path, there is a higher chance of your getting called. So trust them when energies call you and let them guide you while meditating. You will find your answers. The energies will change through your body. You will know the answers in your soul, and your body will be in sync with your soul for a very little time. It will strike you like a sudden idea. If you are an artist, a creator, it will be a new opening in your art, and it will be a new idea that will give you a new perspective. If you are a businessman, you will find the best way to idea with your financial worries. If you have any problem in your family, your soul will get to know the path to resolve them. While the connection is still there, note down what you found. Write it down, draw it, travel, doodle, do whatever helps you. Keep the realization with you. If you go back to sleep after meditating and woke up next morning, there is 100% chance you will forget what happened. So keep the information in writing to receive those when you need them. I hope this is helpful. If it's what, make sure to subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.